So in the tactical arena, we can shift. We can combine some of the ones that you already saw earlier that we did on the weapon side of the house, but on the tactical side of the house, you might be wearing a helmet, you could be wearing body armor, you could wear backpack, commo gear, so a lot of the stress could find yourself from the lower neck line to lower back, and then of course, other regions would be, you know, your feet and your knee areas again. So we'll talk about some of those wraps as well.
So what first we're going to do here is starting with the low back. So I'm just going to have Shannon just flex forward. Now again, when you're out in the field and that low back starts to fatigue, this is definitely something that's going to help decrease fatigue and just increase some of that performance. And so what I've done here is took the piece of tape here and about 1 inch below the belt line. And as I have her in a preloaded position, and I'm just putting this tape again right up these paraspinal muscles here along the spine. And this is just going to aid in some of that fatigue factor that potentially could be going on if you're spending hours out, you know, on the field. And this is, again, similar to just general low back pain that people are going to experience on a daily basis. And then, so these two pieces, again, going right up the paraspinals, and then another piece here that, again, I'm tearing right down the middle. And let's say her pain is right into this area. I'm going to go right across the middle. That's going to help decompress that spot. And just right out to the side. Again, with not much stretch or tension applied on the tape at all. Okay? And then there's the low back taping there. So I'm going to have her now go ahead and sit on up, and we're going to tape for her foot. Good there. So, again, with the piece of tape, what I'm doing here is I'm just anchoring it out towards this, the fifth toe. And as I'm pulling, I want to increase some arch support here. We can increase this arch support. What a lot of people tend to do is they tend to pronate. So if they're over-pronating, that's causing that foot to rotate in, which is now going to cause a whole stress reaction up the rest of the body. So we're looking at trying to change, again, some of her movement patterns here just by taping this foot. So I do a double wrap, starting here at the fifth toe, up and around. I'm going to pull tight through the arch, and then the second wrap is, again, it's going to go up and tight through the arch again, and we're just ending right around this anterior talofibular ligament area of the ankle. So when she goes to stand, what she does is she's going to load that foot, and it's going to aid in pulling that arch to support her foot a little bit more.